Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Dixie Plates just released 3 new stamping plates and I purchased them all. And in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the second one, Mega Mani Mix 02, that I purchased from the UK EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK, which as always you can find links to where I purchased from and Dixie Plates website in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper and a scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be starting with the yellow nail tip, and I'll be using a coral colour stamping polish. I loved the photo swatch of this one I did, but I wanted to see it in a different colour combo because it is stunning, and now I want this one on my nails because I think it's even more beautiful than the first one. This is going to be a favourite image for me, I can see it. For the second swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with this stunning colour stamping polish. Now I never know how to describe this colour, but it is absolutely beautiful over white. And especially with this style of image, it just looks stunning. I will say it is quite unusual though, but really eye-catching. For the third swatch I'm going to use a red nail tip along with a pearl white stamping polish. Now over darker colours, pearl whites tend to have more of a silver tone to them, but look beautiful though, and this just again looks stunning. For me, I think it just needs a crystal in that centre circle. I think it would look stunning. Onto the fourth swatch, and I'll be using a light pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. Now to be fair, I should have used a slightly darker stamping polish for this swatch as it's really subtle, but it is still really pretty though. This image would however look great for bridal nails. It would just look amazing. So I'm now going to change stampers to my clear jelly stamper, crystal double-ended stamper, and I'm going to be using the large end, which I love to use for smaller designs. For this swatch I'll be using a purple nail tip along with a black stamping polish, and I'm going to take 2 swatches from these star constellation is what I'm going to call them, sort of area. Now any excess I pick up I will remove with my lint roller, but you could go in and use some tape or the back of the scraper. Now I have to say these will look amazing over the top of galaxy nails, but for such small detailed image they pick up brilliantly. I think they're a very unusual image to have on a stamping plate, but they're absolutely stunning though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created from Mega Mani Mix 02. Mega Mani Mix 02 is just full of stunning images. There is 18 large style designs along with the star constellations as well, and from them I have taken 5 swatches. Now I don't know whether it's just me, but each row of images seems to have a different theme. So from the bottom up to the top I can see plaid designs, funny lines, animal print, lace and florals. Mega Mani Mix 02 seems to have it all. Now I already have Mega Mani Mix 01 and it is a firm favourite for me, so I knew that I would like 02 and it really hasn't disappointed me at all. You can find 01 in my Dixie Plates playlist here on my channel. Now there was a few images that I was concerned about, and they are the animal print and the negative space floral designs. Now I normally have major problems with designs like these, but I have to say they have all turned out great, and I'm in love with the negative floral in yellow and orange. I would love to turn that into a full mani, but there again I can count at least another 10 others that I would love to turn into manis as well. What I do want to do is create a mani using Mega Mani Mix 01 and 02, because I think that they will work so well together. So that is going to be on my to-do list. And I'm really happy with all of the swatches, especially all of the detail that some of the designs have. And I love them star constellations over the carnelian backgrounds. They just look stunning in person. So for the mani, there was a swatch that I just fell in love with, and it just so happened that I had had a dark blue nail polish arrive, so I knew that it would work. Now what I've done is some of the nails I've turned the stamper in different directions. It just gives the mani a little something different instead of being all of the same. This is definitely a me mani. I love the paint splatter effect images. However, when top coating, I felt that the glossy just didn't look right. I then tried matte and I just knew that it looked 10 times better, and I just love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below, along with Dixie Plates Facebook group link as well. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Mega Mani Mix 02. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.